AssetWhere includes a great tool to send out email broadcasts to all your staff or key staff. And it's driven here from the Site Tools area, and I select Email Broadcast. So I want to send something quickly out to all the staff, and this relates to roadworks that are going to be undertaken and will impact getting in and out of the school. So I can configure templates, and I've got all these merge fields already set up. So I'm letting them know that there's going to be roadworks for the next 2 days on Java Street, which is going to impact both foot and car traffic. I can add the site header. I can request that I know that people have read this. So I've got all of these different functions, and then I can preview this broadcast now to make sure that it is correct. And I'm happy with it, and then it's very simple then to push that out. So particularly useful, for example, when there's roadworks or some drilling or whatever that may impact exams, or upgrades to footpaths or burst water mains, where you want to get a message out very, very quickly.